Hello, good day viewers. As you all know, Rose is currently taking you laws of indices and some examples under laws of indices. This is why I decided to bring in this index problem. Very simple problem, right? 27 divided by 8 raised to the power of -3, but all to the power of 1 divided by 9. Irrespective of which power you started with, you have to get the same answer, because that final answer is what matters the most. But how do we solve this simple problem? The shortest way, the simplest way. I could recall she made mention of that law that says if you have a to the power of b all to the power of c, this can be written as what? A to the power of bc. You can always multiply these indices together, b and c. Again, you can also switch them. It doesn't matter. You can write it as a to the power of c all to the power of b. So whether you started with this one or you started with this one or you combine the powers together, you have to get the same answer. But which one of these three is simpler? That's what we need to find out. We may decide to distribute this power of -3 in here, but these numbers are going to become larger enough. And taking 9th root of that larger number, I don't think it is that simple. Sometimes you even have to use your calculator. But why can't we apply the second one by multiplying the two indices together? Yes, I think it is the simplest form of doing that. So I know if I should multiply this, okay, let me do it step by step. I have 27 divided by 8 to the power of what? -3 multiplied by 1 divided by 9. -3 times 1 is -3 divided by 9. That will give us -1/3, right? So this becomes 27 divided by 8 raised to the power of -1 divided by 3. She mentioned that law that stated what? If you have a to the power of -b, for instance, this is the same thing as 1 divided by what? A to the power of +b. In order to get rid of this negative exponent, just take the reciprocal of a to the power of b. Simple. So to get rid of this, we are going to take the reciprocal of this, which is going to switch it upside down, right? So this is the same thing as 8 divided by what? 27 to the power of what? +1 divided by 3. What does this imply? It implies that 8 to the power of 1/3 divided by 27 to the power of 1/3. You can do that, right? But instead of taking cube root, we can think of a number which we can raise to the power of 3, because that power of 3 will surely eliminate 1/3, because 3 multiplied by 1/3 is 1. I know 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So why can't we write this one as 2 to the power of 3? Divide by, I know 3 to the power of 3 is also 27. So I have 3 to the power of 3 here. Raised to the power of what? 1/3. And I know she made mention of that law that stated that if you have the same exponents and you are dividing or multiplying, you can always multiply or divide such numbers and assign them a single exponent, right? So let me come back from here. I can write this one as 2 divided by 3 all to the power of 3, right? But we still have another power of 1/3, which they are going to multiply. After multiplication, 3 times 1 divided by 3 is 1. And any number to the power of 1 will not change. So finally, our answer to this problem is just 2 divided by 3. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.